watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
And a beautiful day today. I was sitting outside on the driveway with my neighbors, and even though the temperatures were actually in the lower 20s, it felt like it was closer to upper 30s, probably around 40 degrees without the wind and that full sunshine. But we have changes on the way. You can kind of see that not very often in January you get to show the slight risk area as far north as Indianapolis, where you see the gray right up to I-94. That is a chance of thunderstorms. That will not happen until Sunday night, but that just gives you an idea. Pretty good storm system is going to come out of the south central plains right into the western Great Lakes. We're going to get in the warm sector of the storm system, and that will mean rain, and we are going to melt a lot of snow. Let's take a look at temperatures area-wide right now. Oh, actually, let's take a look at the sky cam, and this is our Boatworks sky cam right in the southeastern part of Lake Macatawa out there in Holland. Beautiful sunset out there with a few high clouds decorating the skies out there. Nice to see that parking lot full and people enjoying nice dinner. And temperatures right now, if you are heading out, right around the 20-degree mark. It looks like by mid-evening we'll be in the mid-teens out there, and a great evening if you're heading out, a movie or get a dinner. Wind speed, it's been light all day long, 7 miles an hour out of the east here in Grand Rapids, but that is the highest wind speed anywhere throughout the region right now. Most areas reporting calm. So the wind chill here in Grand Rapids right around 10. Most other areas very close to the actual temperature out there. This is what we're tracking out there. It looks like breezy and warmer for Sunday. I think temperatures will actually go above the freezing mark during the afternoon hours on Sunday. So for the kids, that means good packing snow out there, snowballs, and maybe a snowman or two, a snow fort. It looks like the rain will hold off until the evening hours and overnight period. So tomorrow during the daylight hours it will be dry, but things will change during the evening. Briefly, it looks like we could see a little bit of a mix during the evening hours, but that's going to change over to some rain. Also, when you have warm air pushing up into the state with snow on the ground, that leads to fog, then windy and turning colder on Monday. Any rain showers will transition over to snow showers later in the day on Monday. 24-hour forecast, dry throughout the evening and overnight period, but we will see a few clouds on the increase later on tonight. This forecast model doesn't really catch on to that, but temperatures will be right around the mid to upper teens by daybreak tomorrow morning. 24-hour forecast by noon tomorrow. Still not much going on, but I think the clouds will be moving in at that point, and it looks as if a little bit of a mix. Now, 6 o'clock, you can see kind of a mix developing, especially north of Grand Rapids, possibly a few light rain showers at that point. But I think the bulk of the rain is actually going to occur later in the overnight period. You can see at midnight more showers breaking out. Temperatures, yes, that's not a typo, right around 40 degrees at midnight with a southeast wind 10 to 20 miles an hour. That wind will only go up, it appears, on Monday once the sharp cold front moves through. A deepening area of low pressure in the northern Great Lakes will feed in chilly air for Monday. So again, any rain showers transitioning over snow showers, it may amount to about an inch or two by the end of Monday. Nothing too much. Then Tuesday, a few snow showers mainly in the first half of the day. But overall, the pattern into next week, those temperatures are a little bit above average.
Yes,
a little bit of a mix here and there, but no big system on the way, with the exception of tomorrow night and Monday.
All right, and everybody at Winterfest wanted it to be warm enough to go out, but cold enough to keep the ice and the snow, and they got the perfect.
Yeah, I think they're pretty happy.
Yeah, exactly.